How to fix Gemini app not working. So first of all, scroll down to your control panel and make sure that you have a stable Wi-Fi connection. If your Wi-Fi is not working, you can simply turn on the cellular data and check if Gemini is working. Now, another step you could do in order to fix your issue is that launch Google Play Store. From here, go ahead and tap on Search. Go to the search bar on top and simply search for Gemini. Tap on Gemini application. Now over here, instead of the option of open, if you see the option of update, tap on it and make sure that you update the application. Once you update the app, all the bugs, issues and app errors will be fixed. You can also tap on uninstall and then reinstall Gemini app again. Now another step you could do in order to fix your issue is that launch settings. Once you come here, scroll down below. Go ahead and tap on apps. From here, you could directly search for Gemini. Now once you come to app info, scroll down below and tap on storage. Now at the bottom right, go ahead and tap on clear cache. Now, another step you can do is make sure that you have your Google account accessible. If you are logged out of your Google account, you won't be able to use Gemini. So follow these easy steps in order to fix your issue. And that's all for today's video. At last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.